Every second, approximately 1,000 pieces of KFC chicken and 75 Big Macs are devoured worldwide. Behind these iconic fast foods lies a fascinating world of secret recipes, precision engineering, and culinary science that transforms simple ingredients into global sensations. KFC, the Colonel's legacy. When chicken arrives at a KFC restaurant, it undergoes careful inspection by kitchen staff to ensure it meets the chain's quality standards. This initial quality control is crucial for maintaining consistency across KFC's global empire. After passing inspection, the chicken is stored in refrigerated areas until it's ready to begin its transformation. In territories following Colonel Sanders' traditional system, each chicken is divided into 9 different cuts: 2 drumsticks, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breast pieces, and 1 keel. Interestingly, the United States now uses an 8-piece cut system. Did you know Colonel Sanders' original handwritten recipe is still kept in a high-security safe at KFC's headquarters in Louisville, Kentucky? Even more intriguing, the recipe is split into 2 parts and stored separately to ensure the complete formula never falls into unauthorized hands. This famous blend of 11 herbs and spices creates the distinctive flavor profile that's recognized globally. The magic in the breading. The breading process is where KFC's chicken begins its remarkable transformation. First, the raw chicken is dipped into cold water, which helps the seasoned flour stick better to the meat. This simple but crucial step ensures even coating and maximum flavor absorption. Next comes what insiders call the 7-fold technique. The chicken is lifted and folded in the flour mixture exactly 7 times to ensure complete and uniform coating on every piece. This methodical approach guarantees the consistent texture that KFC fans expect with every bite. The entire breading process is surprisingly quick but requires precision. Kitchen staff completes the breading in just 2 to 4 minutes per batch, manually hand breading each piece for that signature home-style touch that machines simply can't replicate. The revolutionary cooking method. Now for the cooking innovation that revolutionized fast food, pressure frying. This technique, pioneered by Colonel Sanders himself in the 1940s, is what gives KFC chicken its signature texture, crispy on the outside while remaining remarkably juicy on the inside. Unlike conventional frying, pressure frying uses sealed cooking vessels that build up steam during the cooking process. This pressure serves 2 crucial functions. It cooks the chicken approximately twice as fast, about 15 minutes compared to nearly 30 minutes with traditional methods, and forces moisture back into the meat rather than letting it escape. What's the science behind this game-changing technique? The increased pressure raises the boiling point of water inside the chicken, cooking it faster while simultaneously trapping moisture. This creates the perfect balance of crispy exterior and juicy interior that competitors have tried for decades to replicate. Throughout cooking, KFC chefs vigilantly monitor time and temperature, typically around 185 degrees Celsius for between 7 and 10 minutes, though timing varies by country. Even slight variations can significantly affect the texture and flavor profile. The final touches. After frying, the chicken is left to stand for 5 minutes to cool sufficiently before being placed under heat lamps, where it's kept warm until serving. KFC maintains a strict freshness policy. Chicken must be discarded if not sold within 90 minutes to ensure customers always receive fresh, crispy pieces. Surprisingly, the flavor of KFC chicken varies slightly around the world. The frying oil differs by region, including sunflower, soybean, rapeseed, and palm oil, which subtly influences the final taste. Even the chicken itself contributes to regional flavor differences, with variations depending on whether the birds were corn-fed or wheat-fed. The architecture of a legend, McDonald's Big Mac. While KFC perfected the art of fried chicken, another fast food giant was busy engineering a burger that would become a global icon. The Big Mac's journey begins with carefully selected beef. from pasture to patty. McDonald's uses a precise blend with an ideal fat-to-meat ratio of about 80 to 203. This specific ratio isn't arbitrary. Food scientists have determined it provides the perfect balance of flavor and juiciness without excessive greasiness. The precision extends far beyond just the meat mixture. At processing plants, the beef is ground into a fine texture before being formed into perfectly uniform patties that weigh exactly 1.6 ounces each. These patties are sized to fit perfectly on the Big Mac bun, a detail that might seem minor but is crucial for both the burger's appearance and flavor distribution in every bite. After shaping, the patties are flash frozen to lock in freshness during transportation to restaurants worldwide. This rapid freezing process preserves the meat's quality and ensures that when it hits the grill at your local McDonald's, it will cook to perfection with that signature McDonald's flavor. The three-part bun, an engineering marvel. Perhaps the most visually distinctive feature of the Big Mac is its triple-layer bun structure. Unlike standard burgers, the Big Mac features 3 bun components: the top crown, the bottom heel, and the middle club that separates the 2 beef patties. The creation of these specialized buns is a marvel of mass production. The dough begins as a mixture of flour, yeast, water, and other ingredients processed using highly automated machines that ensure identical results in every batch. After mixing and proofing, it's shaped into individual pieces that are baked into perfectly round buns, with the middle section specifically designed to add structural integrity to the towering sandwich. At McDonald's restaurants, the 3 bun components undergo a critical preparation step: toasting. Each component is toasted separately in dedicated slots of the toaster. The crown goes where it says crown, the club where it says club, and the heel where it says heel. This toasting process creates a slightly crisp surface that provides textural contrast and helps prevent the bun from becoming soggy when sauce and toppings are added. The secret weapon, special sauce. The famous special sauce is what many consider the heart and soul of the Big Mac experience. While its exact recipe remains confidential, this creamy, tangy condiment is applied with remarkable precision. 3 dollops deposited by a specialized condiment gun on both the heel and club portions of the bun. This specialized condiment applicator ensures consistency in every Big Mac. The precise amount and placement of sauce guarantees that each bite contains the perfect balance of flavors that has made the sandwich famous worldwide. The assembly, a choreographed process. The assembly of a Big Mac is a carefully orchestrated process that takes place entirely within the iconic clamshell box. After the buns are toasted and the sauce is applied, rehydrated onions are sprinkled on both the club and heel, followed by shredded lettuce. 2 pickle slices are placed on the club section, while a slice of American cheese goes on the heel. Meanwhile, the beef patties are cooking on flat-top grills designed to quickly and evenly cook the meat. The high heat creates a slight sear on each patty, developing that signature McDonald's flavor while keeping the interior juicy. The most challenging part of Big Mac assembly comes next, transferring the club section, with its toppings and patty, onto the heel section. This must be done carefully to maintain the integrity of all components. Finally, the crown is placed on top. The box is closed, which completes the assembly by positioning all components together, and the finished Big Mac is ready to be served. The science of consistency. Both KFC and McDonald's have mastered the art of consistency, perhaps the greatest challenge in mass food production. Their success comes from different approaches to this common goal. KFC's freshness window is strictly enforced. Chicken must be served within a short time after cooking to maintain its signature crispiness, and any pieces not sold within 90 minutes must be discarded. Similarly, Big Mac components are prepared in small batches to ensure freshness, with strict guidelines about how long ingredients can remain in warming trays. This obsession with timing explains why your fast food experiences are remarkably consistent. Whether you're in Tokyo, Toronto, or Tulsa, the core experience remains fundamentally the same: a testament to the precision of these finely tuned systems. While core processes remain consistent worldwide, both chains make subtle adjustments for different markets. KFC uses different oil varieties depending on regional availability, which slightly alters the chicken's final flavor. McDonald's occasionally adjusts aspects of the Big Mac, such as sauce composition or patty size, to cater to regional tastes. These slight modifications represent a fascinating balance between global consistency and local adaptation. Each company has determined precisely which elements must remain identical worldwide and which can be adjusted to suit local preferences, a delicate dance that ensures both familiarity and relevance across diverse cultures. From Colonel Sanders' secret recipe locked in a vault to the precision engineering behind every Big Mac, these iconic fast foods represent the culmination of decades of refinement. What began as simple concepts, fried chicken and a hamburger, have evolved into global phenomena through systematic attention to preparation methods, quality control, and unwavering execution. The next time you bite into that crispy KFC chicken or unwrap a Big Mac, you'll appreciate the remarkable journey each has taken, from raw ingredients to cultural icons that satisfy millions daily. In a world of changing food trends, these classics have stood the test of time by perfecting their processes and delivering exactly what customers expect. Bite after delicious bite. And that's how it's made. KFC's legendary fried chicken and McDonald's iconic Big Mac, two different paths to fast food immortality. Which among these two is your favorite? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more of these kind of videos.